What's up, gang? Welcome back to another YouTube video of Fishing with Brogan. Today I'm back with Brody Wadey with the bait caster, and I brought 2 spinner combos. We're gonna try and get on some monster catfish tonight. It's cold and the fish are gonna be coming right in. Are we gonna get a big one, Brody?
Yes, so.
Alright, we'll see you when we get on the action.
Is that a real dog?
There. Yep.
Woof! Ha! That's the worst bark. Ain't no way that's a real dog.
That might not be.
I'm walking over there.
Me too. Squirrel?
Bro, I'm so. Okay, the dog's fake.
It is very
What's the
fake.
thing behind it?
What is the thing behind it?
Shoot him.
Ah! Trying to bite me! Bad dog. Bad dog. Sit. Stay. Bad dog. Bad dog. I still see him. Brother, this guy stinks. Just wait. Just wait. Don't move. I see his tail. There's one.
Perfect. You're insane.
Okay, okay. Now we have an option with this guy. We have an option. Live bait or catfish.
Whatever you think's better. I barely catfish.
I love catfishing, but live bait, I could get a northern.
Okay.
But I doubt there's northerns in there. Guess, brother.
Yeah. Do I need to go farther?
Nope, that was pretty good.
Right here?
Yeah, I think you're good right there. Oh,
My line? Question mark? Oh, never mind. I'm just looking at it from a different angle. I thought that's a fish. Got one. Let's go, baby. Yep, that's a fish. Yep, yep. Yep, that's a cat. Yep. Give me that. She's still on there. Oh, shoot! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! Oh, yeah! It's a shark! Grab that. Yeah!
yes,
Let's go!
Let's go, Brody.
Bro, that's a beast.
He's tiny.
Yo, look at that. He's a slob.
go.
He was not coming off.
Yeah, he was
All
probably.
right, I got that.
holding
I
on
got
to that
that. I got
forever.
that. Oh,
I'll
yeah.
hold him down for you.
Yeah, get that bad boy out of there.
Good luck with the circle hook.
I want to put my hand in his mouth. Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. And then
Oh, he's grunting. He's talking to me. I think he loves me. Safe release. That was a
Nice
W
fish.
fish.
Nice fish,
That was a
Brody.
W fish. That was a W fish.